A tragedy etched in Jamaica's history has now been immortalized in stone. Culture Minister Olivia Grange unveiled a monument in Manchester to honor 177 people who perished in the Kendal train crash of September 1, 1957. It's described as the worst rail disaster in the Western Hemisphere. Sandy Williams reports.
The monument, standing solemnly in Kendal, carries a haunting image of the wreckage, and beneath it, the names of the 177 lives lost that fateful Sunday evening nearly 7 decades ago.
We will never forget those who died, those who were injured, and those scarred for life, those who survived, and a whole nation that mourned when dawn came the following day and news of the incident spread.
It's a promise that comes with more than words. Earlier this year, the Ministry of Culture and the Manchester Municipal Corporation signed an agreement to not only build this memorial, but to create a park and museum on the site.
The ministry would provide the $7.9 million, 7.9, which it would cost to build the monument, and the municipal corporation would be responsible for erecting it, as well as to create a memorial park and a museum. And of course, I know the municipal corporation can't do it on its own. So the memorial park, I expect them to make it happen. The museum, I will give support.
The Institute of Jamaica, the Jamaican National Heritage Trust, and the National Library will all lend support, ensuring the site becomes a place of learning as much as remembrance.
The idea is that people will visit the location and pay homage to those who suffered and died in the Kendal crash.
The minister also announced that the crash site, spanning more than 2 acres, is now in the process of being declared a national monument.
As we unveil the monument, I'm also pleased to inform you that the Kendal train crash site will be recommended by the Jamaican National Heritage Trust for declaration as a national monument on the basis of its historic and archaeological significance.
And there are plans to enshrine the memory of Kendal's victims in the nation's calendar.
Last year, I sought the support of His Excellency the Governor General in proclaiming September 1 as a National Day of Remembrance of the victims and survivors of the Kendal disaster. I don't know how many of you remember that was done. And so we created this Day of Remembrance because it was the right thing to do.
The Kendal train crash remains one of Jamaica's most painful tragedies. With the new monument and a proposed National Day of Remembrance, the country moves closer to healing, even as it pledges never to forget. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.